Here at Nightclub every Thursday. If you can't make the class, I at least hope you watch the video and use it wherever you go dancing. So tonight is actually a move, haven't done a long time, brought it back for the first time this year. It originates out of your basic whip. So we're just going to show basic whip. I'm not sure to push. 8 counts off the track leaders. 1, 2 coasters. She does her pivot and you put her right back to where she started. Okay? Very basic. We did start that for the class. But here, the next part is where we start to get into the more advanced part. After 4, it's going to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from 4, I'm going to turn her to the right, but I'm going to turn her and let her go. So she's going to do a free turn, free spin, a turn and a half to her right. Let's go this way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to use this arm to turn her 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's just a free turn. She's going to feel it only with the right hand. Left hand really can't lead it. So a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So front to back, so you can see how that flows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I turn her and I let her go. So that turn helps. All right. So the next part is the hip catch. So we're going to do the move and then show you how you make the move work. Turn push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. She ends up on the other side of the track this time. But the connection with the hip is obviously the only reason the move works. How are you going to do that, leaders? Pulling her in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now she does that free turn. So 5, 6. I keep my right hand in the middle of her back as she's turning. As she continues for 7 and 8, 7, and to get my right hand on her right hip, enough to connect with her to make her come forward on her left foot on 8. And I'm going to rock back on my right foot. So if you don't connect with her hip by that and count, you won't be able to make the move work. Then from there, you're just going to give her a turn and a half to her left, sending her back to where she started. So 1 shoulder push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, connect and pull forward, turn, give her a little help in the back, a little push, just as she falls into the move going forward. So go in this direction, goes through 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. So got to stay off the track the entire time, and that's how it works. So one more time, sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, bring her forward, turn her, and the move is now called hip catch. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like that one, guys. Haven't taught hip catch in a few years. It was due to be back today. So hope you like it. Please use it. Remember, please click that subscribe button for a free video every time you see us. Until then, as always, have a great week. Keep dancing. Bye-bye.